Hello friends, I am Satish Ahuja, editor of legal books and journal, doing editing work since last about 25 years. In this video, I am sharing information about what legal responsibility a doctor has if there is negligence during treatment. Also, I will explain whether the hospital where the treatment took place is also responsible in such cases. Friends, if you find this information useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This information might be important for you or someone you know, and your one share can help someone else too. This important legal point was clearly explained by the Honorable Supreme Court of India in its recent decision, namely the Managing Director, Kamineni Hospitals versus Pedi Narayana Swamy. Kamineni, Kamineni space Hospitals versus Pedi, Peddi Narayana space Swamy, Swamy. Civil Appeal numbers 5452 and 5453 of 2025, decided on 22nd April 2025. In this case, a 27-year-old BTech graduate working in a soap factory died during treatment. His family filed a case of medical negligence against the hospital and the treating doctor. Both the State Commission and National Commission found the hospital and doctor guilty of medical negligence and ordered compensation of rupees 20 lakhs, rupees 15 lakh from the hospital and rupees 5 lakhs from the doctor. The hospital challenged this decision in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court clarified that if the medical record and evidence show the doctor did not provide the required care and caution, it will be considered medical negligence. And in these circumstances, hospital is also responsible for the medical negligence committed by their staff or doctors. In such a case, compensation should be calculated considering the deceased person's age, qualification and future earning potential. Hospital compensation was reduced by the Honorable Supreme Court of India to rupees 10 lakhs with interest, but doctor liability of rupees 5 lakhs was upheld. Friends, under Article 141 of the Constitution of India, the law declared by the Supreme Court of India is binding on all courts within the territory of India. So you or someone you know can take benefit from this judgment. If you want to understand this issue in detail, you can read the full Supreme Court judgment. Once again, the name of the case is the Managing Director, Kamineni, Kamineni Hospitals versus Pedi, Peddi Narayana, Narayana Swamy, Swamy. Civil Appeal numbers 5452 and 5453 of 2025, decided on 22nd April 2025. Thank you friends. I will try to bring another video soon on another important legal topic. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thanks.